Meaning of dollarize.
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 Dollarize. The term dollarize means a process of adopting the US dollar as a country's official currency. It can occur voluntarily or through external forces such as hyperinflation or economic instability. The result of dollarization is that all prices, debts, and transactions within the country are conducted in US dollars, eliminating the need for a local currency. This can lead to greater stability and confidence in the economy, as well as easier access to international trade and investment. However, it also means that the country loses control over its monetary policy and is subject to fluctuations in the global economy.